Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Momo from Duck Barber. In this video, I'm going to review and give you a self-cut tutorial using this brand new hair clipper and a trimmer from Selfcut, the White Shark. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Boost! So, my very first impression of this clipper is, oh my god, I just got another pair of heavy metal made clippers. And you all know why I love heavy metal made clipper instead of light plastic made clippers. First of all, it makes you look badass when you're cutting hair, like you're just carrying around this silver metal looking clipper on your hand. And second of all, it gives you so much controls over your wrist movement when the hair clipper is heavy. Another thing that I noticed is the taper lever is a clicking lever where you can click into different lever adjustments. This is a good point, especially if you're a beginner hair cutter, because when I tell you to open up the lever just halfway, you know exactly how you should be opening up your lever just halfway. Third thing I like about this clipper is the LED display. I mean, come on, look at the clipper right here. It looks like some robot from 2050, like artificial intelligence looking, or even like the Eve from the Wall-E, like Disney movie. Another thing that I also want to point out is this is very unique about this LED display is that it actually shows the amount of minutes you have left on your clipper instead of remaining percentages of your battery. So you know exactly how many minutes you have left on your clippers. And my favorite part about this clipper is that it uses Type-C charging cable, and this is a very important part for me because I travel around a lot and I also like to cut my hair when I travel, and I don't want to carry around different kinds of cable just to charge my hair clippers. You know, it uses the same cable for my smartphone and I can also charge my hair clipper, so this is very convenient point for me. The clippers unfortunately comes without zero gap blade, but don't worry, I'll give you a tutorial on how to zero gap your own clippers sometimes after this video, so make sure to hit that subscribe button below so that you won't miss out any contents like this. Box of clippers and a trimmer comes with several accessories including number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 guards for the clippers, 1mm, 2mm, 3mm for a trimmer, USB charging cable, clipper oil, brush, and barber cape. So if you're a beginner, if you want to just start right away with your haircuts, this kit is perfect and the best option for you. Last but not least, I'll put that link to Selfcut online store in the description below, so make sure to check the store out for a detail. And that's enough for the quick review on the clippers and the trimmer, and let's get right into the self-cut tutorials. Boost! Alright, let's get right into a quick mid-fade tutorial using Selfcut hair clippers. Boost! Step number 1, create an initial guideline using the trimmer and then remove all the hair underneath the guideline. Try to make the line as straight as possible. Step number 2, take out your clipper and open up the lever all the way like this and go up around 2 cm above the initial guideline. We'll call this a second guideline. Step number 3, right here I'm using 3mm comb guard that came with the box and the lever is still all the way open. Go up once again 2 cm above the second guideline. We will then also call this a third guideline. Step number 4, right now I'm using 6mm comb guard from the box, and this is also the same step. The lever is still fully open and go up 1.5 cm above the third guideline. Here we can see 3 layers forming between each guideline. Step number 5, we're now blending all the guidelines and make it into the fade style. We're going to start with the very top layer, so take out your 12mm comb guard and the lever is open halfway and go over the dark line until it is fully blended. Step number 6, now we're going to erase the very bottom line. Take off your comb guard and the lever all the way closed and use your wrist movement and knock out that very bottom initial guideline. Step number 7, now open up the lever all the way and we're going to erase the second bottom line. Look how I'm tilting my hair clipper to knock out that line. You can slow down this clip right here to learn more closely. Step number 8. Put back your 3mm comb guard and now erasing the third guideline. This is exactly the same step as I mentioned in the previous step. Use your wrist and corner of your blade to knock off that line. Step number 9. By using the trimmer, I am shaping up my hairline. Take your time and shape up neatly. And this is the result of the Selfcut tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Duck Barber, and subscribe. Hope to see you very soon. Peace.